Looking to strengthen your core? Follow along with this 5-minute bar workout to tone your entire core. No equipment needed. Just 5 minutes, 5 days a week to a stronger midsection. Ready? Let's go.
Today's focus is core strength. We will begin flat on our backs on the mat. Bring it down and walk the heels in line with the sits bones. Arms down by your side. Neutral pelvis. Take a nice big exhale, engage your abdominals, and let's get started. Gonna take a little nod of the head. Exhale, curl it up. Get those shoulder blades off the floor. Eye gaze over the knees. Reach through those fingertips and inhale back just halfway. Exhale, curl up. Inhale halfway. Exhale, curl 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Inhale. Keep the hands by the hips here. 6. Inhale. Exhale 7. Inhale. Exhale 8. 2 more here. Exhale 9. Exhale 10. Inhale. Roll it all the way down. If you have tension in your head or neck, you can take that head side to side. For our next exercise, we're going to extend that left leg long and extend the right leg to the ceiling. If this is tough for you and you have tight hamstrings, it's fine to bend the knee. I will move on with my leg extended. I'm gonna inhale, nod the head and curl up, just like I did a moment ago, but this time I'm going to hover this foot off the floor. My eye gaze is on my big toe. And I'm gonna inhale, take it back down. Exhale, curl it up, reaching through those heels. And inhale, back down. Exhale, curl up for 3. And inhale, lower. Exhale, curl for 4. Be sure to hover that leg. Inhale, back down. Exhale, curl up for 5 and hold here. Now draw those arms up to an angle and tiny pulses. Think upper rectus here. Pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll it back down. Lower the leg. Let's switch sides. Extend the right leg. Lengthen that left leg. Reach through the heels. Keep the feet flexed. Take a deep exhale. Engage your abdominals. Inhale, nod. Exhale, curl it up. Hover the leg. Eye gaze on that big toe. And inhale all the way back down. Exhale, curl up. And inhale, hover. Exhale, curl up for 3. Really use your breath here. Inhale, lower. Exhale, curl 4. Inhale, lower. 1 more. Exhale, curl 5. We're gonna hold here. Take those arms to 45 degrees and pulse for 1, 2, breathe, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, roll it down. Lower those legs. You should be a little warm there in the belly. Let's roll it over and come up to a 4-point stance on those hands and knees. Bring the legs together. Tuck the toes. Make sure those wrists are underneath the shoulders and the elbow creases are facing in. Spine is nice and neutral. Be sure that you don't drop into the shoulders here. We're pressing out. I'm gonna find a tiny little tilt of my pubic bone. Close up those obliques. On your inhale, press and hover those knees and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees. Press back for a moment. Scoop and roll back up to that 4-point stance. Now take those knees hip distance apart. Keep the toes tucked. Find that exhale. Engage your abdominals. Little tiny tuck of that pubic bone and press to hover and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, press it back. Take a moment here. We're gonna finish off with a little challenge. Take the hands a little bit more forward. You can be on the knees here if you'd like. We're gonna shift forward and back, pressing here. If you wanna take this to more challenge, find a plank, And we're gonna pike to downward dog and to plank. Press and plank. Press and plank. Press and plank. 2 more. Press and plank. Press and plank. Hold here now. Bend the knees and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press back to that downward dog. Drop the heels and scoop to press it forward. Bend the knees. Sit back. You can open up those knees and sink towards the floor. Take a nice big stretch here. Roll it up, dragging those fingers. Nice job. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.